Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about uh, 4 points. The first one is what is introduction of the organizational unit, what's the organizational unit, what is the use, and the second is we will create organizational unit, new organizational unit name called HR. Then we will create Ahmed Ali inside organizational name called HR. Then we will try to delete the organizational unit. So let's see what is organizational unit. Organizational unit is the container within Active Directory that help organize like a user, group, and computers. It's allow administrator to delegate permission, apply policy, and maintain the structure of directory. So what is the organizational unit? Is the simple answer is just it's a container that help us to manage user or groups and computers. So let's see the second. We'll see how to create organizational unit in our domain controller. So let's go to our domain controller. Let's go to our domain controller. Then click start menu. Open server manager. Navigate. Let's wait until complete the refresh. Few minutes. Then navigate to tools. Then Active Directory users. Then here we'll expand. Then here we are going to create organizational name, call it HR. So right click in our domain, new, here organizational unit. Then we will call it HR. Here we will select protect container from accidental delete. This is security reason that someone cannot delete accidentally. It's protected. So then say okay. Now we have organizational name unit called HR. So the next what we're going to do is to create a user name Ahmed Ali or someone inside the HR organizational unit. Let's create name Ahmed Ali. I think I already have Ahmed, but let's see. So how we can create? Go to HR, navigate to HR organizational unit, then right click on it, and new user. Then will be the username will be Ahmed Osman. We'll call him Ahmed Osman. I already have Ahmed Ali, so the login will be Ahmed Osman. This will be the login. Then next, then I will put the password. Everybody know how to create the new user in Active Directory. We already did this in previous video. So then next, so now we have one user name called Ahmed in HR organizational unit. So let's see how we can also move. So let's say I have one user in the users. So what's name Omar Saleh. I want to move to HR organizational unit. How we can do? Navigate to user. We want to move. Right click. Then there is option called move. Then select HR. Then now I have already Omar Saleh. Move it to HR organizational unit. Also I can move the computer also. Let's say I have one computer here. Any computer that join into domain controller, you will find it in the computer OU or container. So right click on the computer, move to HR. So I have in HR organization I have Ahmed Usman, a user, and then I have one computer and also another user. We move from users organization. So what is the next? The next is we are going to delete the organizational unit. But before we are going to delete the organizational unit, I want to show something. How we can give delegation to someone to manage this organizational unit. So let's see Ahmed is HR manager, and I will give him permission to manage this organizational unit only to create new user and delete the old users. So like managing. So how we can give right click to HR organizational unit and delegate control. Then next, then add user. Who's the user? Ahmed. I have two Ahmed, so I will give to Ahmed Osman. Okay. Then next, what kind of privilege I want to give to create, delete and manage user account. Next, so now Ahmed is going to manage the HR organizational unit. So the last video is to delete the organizational unit. So how we can delete the organizational unit? So before I delete, I need to move this. I'll delete this one. Delete. But I want to move this computer to the computer account and owner. I will need it later. I will move to the users. So now how we are going to delete this organizational unit? So let's see, right click, I have option called delete. Here I cannot delete. It is saying this object is protected from accidental deletion. So how we can unclick the accidental delete, unselect. So go to view, advanced feature. After you select the advanced feature, go to HR, right click. Now you have option called go to object, then remove, unclick the protect object from accidental delete, then OK and apply. Now you are able to delete the organizational unit. Thank you for watching.